Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Temu coupon bundles. So, let's get started. First, I'm going to open the Temu app here. You'll want to log in with your account. Now, let's say we're making a purchase, but I need to add a few more items to meet the minimum requirement. Once we've added these items to our cart, we can go to checkout. Here, you'll see all your information displayed, so we need to fill this out. I'll just do that quickly and be right back. After you've entered your address, scroll down to find a section called Apply Coupon Code. Once selected, we can apply the coupon bundle code right here by clicking Apply. If you've added more than 10 items, the field for group coupons should become available. Once you apply it, that's essentially how you use these coupons. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.